Trucha Fario. Any words?
Unlikely.
First cast, right?
One cast.
Boom. Okay, making the cast. I'm gonna get, oh, spooked. Got that one.
GoPro, holy mackerel. How do you know when I'm gonna catch them all the time? It's amazing. Andreas used to be a dentist.
Second fish! Second fish! Good job, sir. Second fish. Chucha Grande.
Perfect. We just got perfect. Good timing.
Oh, got him. Let's see if we can land this fish.
I got you.
All right.
When you're ready.
That's all. Check out this koi way.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank God you listened to me.
There you go.
Well done. Yeah. Right. Oh yeah. Give him some line. Give him some line.
Oh, yeah.
Hola.
¿Qué pasa?
Brownie.
Marrón.
Well done. Beautiful.
Beautiful fish. I'm ready. Oh, you're ready.
Here. I'm gonna hand it to you.
All right. Yay! You went for the log. Smart fish.
Boom. Funky. Straight! Strip, 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 strip. That's it.
Yeah!
Oh. Here you go.
All right.
Boy, that's a big one.
Very nice.
Nice ground trout.
Hold it again. Yeah. Try to get the rock bump.
There. That's where he's at.
Got it. Here we go.
This is a giant. Never seen it. Yeah! 24-inch.
25.
I'm gonna let him go. You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, man!
That's a nice fish. Happy birthday! There you go. Smile. On a dry fly.
Whoa! That is beautiful.
Got it? Look at that.
That's the one I'm looking for. That's the trick itself. Holy shit. Woo! Yes. Roberto. Amigo.
Awesome.
Thank God.
Nice. Thank you.